Good morning, everyone. I would like to wish you all a very happy, happy World Sunday School Day. Today, I want to share you all my Sunday school experience and how they have shaped my life and how they have changed my life um, by, by teaching me about God. So, Sunday school has always been a part of my spiritual journey. Through Bible stories and songs and activities, I learned valuable lessons about forgiving others, kindness, and compassion. I learned that faith is not just about attending church, but about living out our values in our daily lives. You know, Sunday school always provided me with a sense of community, and it makes forms a strong bond between teachers and my classmates and friends. And one particular experience that stood out to me was the induction competition we had last year. What it taught me was that nothing is impossible without God. Sunday school has been transformative experience for me. So I am grateful to have my teachers and supportive Sunday school classmates. Now, if I look back, I realize that Sunday school is it's not more than just a program. It's a community, it's a family, and I'm honored to be part of it. You know, growing up and attending Sunday school every week, it was the highlight of my week. Through Sunday school, I learned so many things about God, how His love never failed for us, and the plans that He has for me in the future. I learned about forgiveness and kindness and compassion. I learned that God is always with me, no matter what. And as I grew older, I began to realize the importance of applying these lessons to my everyday life. Sunday school taught me to be bold in my faith, to stand up for what I believe in, and to love others. So, I'm so grateful for giving me this time. Thank you so much for your time. Once again, I'd like to wish you all a very happy World Sunday School Day.